Hey there, welcome to today's video where I'll walk you through how to use a Temu coupon bundle. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to drop a like. So let's dive right in. When you create your Temu account, whether it's on the website or the app, you usually receive a bundle of coupons that you can use for your purchases. Here's how to find and utilize these coupons. Start by clicking on your profile icon. You'll see an option labeled Coupons and Offers. Click on it to view all the available coupons in your account. Once you're in the coupons section, you'll see a list of the coupons you have. Copy the code of the coupon you want to use. Next, head back to the main page of Temu and start browsing for items you want to purchase. Add them to your cart. Once you've added all the items you want to buy, proceed to your cart and click on Checkout. Keep in mind that there's usually a 10-item minimum to proceed to checkout. Enter your shipping address and select your preferred shipping method. In the checkout process, you'll find a box labeled Enter a Coupon Code. Paste the coupon code you copied earlier into this box. After pasting the code, click on Apply. The discount associated with the coupon will be applied to your order total. Repeat this process for any additional coupons you have. Temu often provides multiple coupons, sometimes worth up to $100 in total. And that's it. You've successfully used your Temu coupon bundle to avail discounts on your purchases. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.